Texas rig, same tungsten, quarter-ounce bullet head weight, same everything. 5/0 VMC hook. I want to try this color because some of the bait fish that I saw, they were this color when they I'm on right now. I can't tell what this is. It feels like a halibut. Lazy fight, remember? Like Lennox Lewis. That's a halibut for sure. Oh, I lost it. Oh, shit. I don't even know what happened on that last one. My drag wasn't too tight. And, yeah, I don't know how I lost that last one. If everything felt right, I wasn't forcing it in. I mean, sometimes it's just they slip the hook, you know, and I don't know how, or you know, they spit the hook. I mean, it's like you don't do anything different than the times you caught them, but sometimes you just don't get them, you know. Something just took off. They hit, then it took. Oh, it's a little halibut. Look at, oh, there it goes. That's kind of cool. It's gonna survive. Well, there it is. This one's like a thud, man. This has got to be legal. It was just a good thud when it hit, and it feels heavy coming in. Oh, what the heck? It's got to be a legal halibut. Freaking thing just, oh, there it goes. It's getting close, so it's, oh, it's a shorty. Dang it. At least. Got two shorties so far. This one feels legal. Dude, back-to-back casts. Back-to-back casts. And this one's fighting from outside. So usually when they fight from outside, they're usually legal. And I'm trying to keep it down. Using the waves. Slow, steady fight. Ah, this one's... Oh, it's just shorty too. Oh well. He slipped the hook right at the end. That one was a short one. Come on again. This one feels kind of small. I never lost so many either. It's like, I think I've lost 3 by now, and I pulled in 3. I know I lost one. That was, this one right here is definitely legal. That thing held real hard. I don't even, this might be white sea bass. That thing just went thud. Freaking thing hit hard, man. It won't even let me budge it right now. Just trying to be really patient. There it goes. That's a big halibut. It's taking off. I just saw a white back. I think it's a halibut. I don't want to muscle it in. There it goes. Oh my god, it breached. That might be a 30 inch, over 30 inch halibut right there. It looked like a freaking, you see it jump out of the water? I've never seen a halibut do that. Oh, there it goes again. This is insane, dude. This is what I came here for. Unbelievable, man. I just don't want to muscle it in. There, it's running again. Oh, it's definitely illegal. Thing was barely hooked. Man, freaking fat halibut off the beach. I know it's legal, so I'm gonna go and cut. Or halibut. Let these pieces get rinsed.
Yeah, salt on.
So I use alder for my base to get the fire going. It gets the oak nice and hot.